So this is a medpulse AI. This is the 5 minute feature that I'm going to perform. So this is the introduction. Hey everyone, welcome. Today I am going to walk you through a medpulse AI, a real-time pharmacovigilance intelligence platform that I built for the AI for Bharat Hackathon. In just 5 minutes, you will see the problem it solves, how the AI works, a live demo of the website, and a peek at the code on the GitHub. So this is the problem statement. So here is the thing: every day thousands of patients are posting about their drug side effects on Reddit, Twitter, Quora, but nobody is listening. Traditional pharmacovigilance, that's the science of monitoring drug safety, relies on manual reporting. Doctors fill out the form, hospitals submit the reports. It takes weeks, sometimes months for a signal to get noticed. Studies suggest that 95% of adverse drug reaction go unreported through these old channels. That's the problem MedPulse AI here to fix. This is the slide 3. You can see our solution. MedPulse AI monitors social media in real time, Reddit, Twitter, X, and Quora, and uses AI to detect, classify, and surface adverse drug reaction before they become a crisis. Every signal gets tagged with severity level: low, medium, high, or critical. A possible, like again, you can take an example, a possible anaphylaxis reaction to amoxicillin, that goes straight to the critical and gets flagged immediately. The whole idea is to go through from unstructured social media chatter to structured, actionable healthcare intelligence. So I'll walk you out through my website, the live website running. So here it is running. You can see your dashboard. At the top, you can see the key metrics: total healthcare signal detectors, adverse event count, high severity alerts, active monitoring status. These updates in real time as signals come in. You can see signal volumes here, the sentiment trend, the were positive, negative, what are the source distribution, the most of the comes from the Reddit, etc. You can come on to the signal feed next part. So if I talk about any signal feed, so this is come from Reddit, been on Ment 14 for 3 months, getting really bad nausea every morning, etc. You can see that these are the signals that our AI has hired here. From that thing we have captured here. Okay. So let's come on to the adverse event. So here you can say this is the critical tab. These are cases that AI has flagged as high or critical severity. You can see the drug, the reaction, and the source for healthcare team. This is early warning system. So okay, so let's, if you can see that warfarin, this is unusual bruising reporting system. Severity is high. The source code is Twitter X. So this is the best part of it. This is the agent chat. So if we type anything, which drug has the most adverse event reports today, so it will tell everything about it. Based on the current data, Ozempic has the most adverse events report today, with two signals mentioning severe constipation and abdominal pain. So what it does, it answer everything about the MedPulse agent. This is the MedPulse agent powered by Grok AI and Claude. So let me come on to the dashboard again. Back to the dashboard, you can see the sentiment trend, so distribution across platform and drug activity level analyticals. Everything visualized cleanly. Okay, so let us come to the GitHub repo of AI for Bharat Hackathon MedPulse. The link is provided below in the description. You can see. So if I talk about the repo structure, this project is split cleanly. The front end is on HTML, CSS, and vanilla. JavaScript give us dark, modern dashboard UI. You just saw it deployed automatically to Vercel from this repo. You can see that main.py file. Uh, it is fast API application running on Python 3.11 deployed on Railway. The problem, the main thing is the fast API gives us clean API endpoint, fast response times, and easy integration with Grok API. The key dependency you can see here in our requirements section. Everything is mentioned here. Our fast API, UVCon, Grok, Pindetic, and HTTPX. So the only environment variable you need to set up is your Grok API key that you will need to find out. So the backend is live at the Railway URL. You can see everything is in the this README file. The backend is at Railway and the front end is on Vercel. So where does MedPulse AI go from? Phase one is connecting real social media APIs, Reddit, Twitter. So the signals are truly live, not simulated. So everything is simulated here. We haven't connected yet. So this is the main part. Phase two is adding a proper database, user accounts, and a real-time notification system. So healthcare teams get push alert moment before the moment a critical event is generated. Phase three is enterprise deployment, Docker, Kubernetes, PDF safety reports, and open API access to pharma companies. So the long-term vision is simple: a global open source pharmacovigilance intelligence network where AI watches the entire internet so that no adverse drug reaction goes unnoticed. So this is it. You can see the live demo here. The backend API is running here, and the GitHub repo is given in the description. So this is my video. I'm Harshit, and I have done everything. Now you can evaluate.